Welcome to our EL software tutorial series. Today, we'll focus on installing the EL software server, version 2.3, on a Windows computer. So let's get started. As a first step, we need to download the latest installer file from the lcell homepage. Open your web browser and visit lcell.com. Then navigate to Support, Downloads, Software. Click on the Download button to get the latest Windows installation file. Once the download is complete, please extract the zip file and run the included MSI installation file. The installation dialog will open. For the features to be installed, please select Client and Server Components. On the next screen, we need to select the path for the data. We recommend using a second hard drive, which should be an SSD for good performance. In this case, we have already selected our second drive and can continue. A restart is required to finish the installation process. I will pause this video, restart the computer, and return in a second. After restarting the system, please open the Windows menu and click on EL Software. The client automatically connects to the local server installation. Next, we must connect a PAT battery tester to our freshly installed server. Please watch the following video in our tutorial series that shows how to do this. We have also linked it for you in the video description. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!